botanist and education officer for the Public Gardens Division in the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining. So my presentation this morning will be about the importance of biodiversity and conservation, and it is a special focus on Bath Botanical Gardens. You guys are hearing me, right?
Yeah.
All right, so biodiversity, it basically encompasses the variety of all living things on Earth. It includes genetic diversity, which speaks to differences between plants and animals. It speaks to species diversity, which is different species within a specific habitat for plants and animals. And it also encompasses ecosystem diversity, which refers to different habitats such as forests, rivers, gardens, and wetlands, and so forth. Biodiversity is important because it supports life and livelihoods. It also keeps the ecosystem balanced, and it also provides benefits such as pollination of crops, clean water, nutrient cycling in soil, and climate regulation. Bear in mind that even though biodiversity is important, currently it is under threat due to human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, climate change, overexploitation of plants and animals, and also invasive species. These threats also cause species loss and ecosystem damage.